Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. So we meet again in soil mechanics in chapter soil classification. So today I will show you how to solve a problem in order to identify the soil group for USCS method. Okay. Alright, so we can see here a geotechnics engineer take a sample to the laboratory to do a test. So what they do the sieve analysis test, which given the passing of number 4 is 89%. Okay. So let us immediately jot down the info. So it comes, it said that passing number 4, they got 89%. And next, it says also retaining at number 200. Okay, retain at number 200 is 91%. And also obtain the CU parameter, coefficient of uniformity, equal to 4, and CC, coefficient of gradation for the sieve test, is 5. In addition, they also perform the Atterberg limit test, which give us the liquid limit. Okay, liquid limit, how much water at the liquid condition, and plastic limit, which is liquid limit is 35, plastic limit is 5. So they ask us to identify the soil group by using the USCS table. So we can see this is the USCS table. Okay, so what we need to do, so let us do the first step. So as we can see here, in the table, so the first parameter that we need to check is how much it retained at sieve number 200 to identify either it is a fine or coarse grain soil. So number 200, is it more than 50% passing, or in other words, it also means that less than 50% retain. So if it is less than 50% retain or more than 50% passing, it is a fine grain soil. Whereas if more than 50% retain, the vice versa of the info, so it will be a grain soil. Okay, coarse grain soil, sorry. Coarse grain soil, fine grain soil. Okay, so we check the info that we get. So we get the info retain number 200 is 91%. So it is more than 50% retain. So more than 50% retain, it means that the first group that we able to classify is the soil is a coarse grain soil. So after settle the first step, so let's move to the second step. So in the coarse grain soil, there is 2 more types of soil that we have to classify, whether it is a gravel or sand. So we need to again check on the retain on sieve number 4. So is it less or more? Okay, here we need to check number 4. Is it less or more? So we know here we get we have the passing info. So from here we can actually calculate for the retain info. Just need to minus 100 minus the 89%. So 100 minus 89, we got 11% retains. Okay, 11% retain means it less than 50%. So we know that the next level, the coarser grain soil just now is have a lot of sandy soil, sand soil. So now we need now to check the fines percentage. So how we can know the fine percentage? So we refer to the number 200, we refer to the number 200. But it's much more easier if we could calculate the passing of number 200 in order to obtain the fines percentage. Okay. So similarly, like we calculate the retained number 4 just now. So passing number 4 is 100 minus 91. So we got 9%. So 9% is, let me change the pen color. Okay, 9% is less than 12, but it more than 5%. So it doesn't fit any of the categories given. So what it means by that, okay, when we know the passing of number 200 or the total of 5% is between 5 to 12, so it means we are searching for a dual soil group symbol. So a dual soil group symbol. So let us continue to check. So what the first symbol and what the second symbol. Alright, so we know that we are given Cu equal to 4, Cc equal to 5. So let's check for the sandy soil. Okay. So here, the sandy soil is here. So the border of sand soil. So let's focus on this group. Okay, Cu4 is much more lesser than 6. Okay, and Cc is 5, which means it's not under the range of 1 or 3. So it means that the sandy soil is not SW because it's not satisfying the SW. So it means it is a sandy poor sandy, SP. Okay, so this is the first dual symbol for the questions for this soil sample. Alright, note that we have another two soil sandy samples, sandy group to be matched on. Alright, but we need to check either the fines is below the A line or above the A line. So how to check the below and above? So note that this is A line in the Casa Grande chart, the plastic index chart. So as long as we know the plastic index and also the liquid limit, we can define what type of the soil. Is it a clay or silt? So let's check for the LL and PL. From the LL and PL, we got the PI is equal to 30 and LL is 35. So we read our chart, the Casa Grande chart here. So this is 35 LL and we have a PI about 30. So we can say that the soil is clay. We have a fine percent of 9% is a clay soil. So it is above A line. So we can match the dual symbol is SPSC. So this is the answers for this soil sample. So I think that's all for today. Until we meet again in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.